Boys, I want you to make bread. I want you to make a high income, even if you don't have a degree. And to me, one of these high income skills can be anything that you can learn from your room easily. That means you watching now can learn one of these skills, and from there, you can scale it to earn up to 10K a month. And you might be thinking this is too good to be true, but the reality is that, like I've always said, you get paid a direct proportion of the value you provide. Well, this skill will bring so much value into a marketplace that businesses and brands will pay you for it. At minimum, at least $1,000 a month. If that sounds interesting, here are 7 skills that you can do right now to earn more money. Let's hop into it. Number 1, copywriting. Jose, what is copywriting? Well, let me just give you an example. Big startup companies will hire copywriters to have in-house and pay them salaries of up to $50K a year. The reality is that everything you see online has copy, whether it's a blog post, it's a video that you saw, an ad, a billboard, an advertisement, whatever it is, it uses copy to sell to customers, and brands will pay for this because, well, it generates them revenue. It provides value for them. And what they need is people that have proper grammar when they write, and more importantly, that know how to sell through words, that know how to tell a story when it comes to explaining a product or an idea. Copywriting is a valuable skill that anybody can learn online, and once you're good on it, you can sign clients left and right. Number 2, virtual assistant. This one's pretty self-explanatory, and again, you could provide your services to almost anybody in any industry, because the busier or the more successful you get, the more you want to get rid of monotone tasks like calendaring or emailing or customer service or support. That type of stuff for big businesses, they tend to want to outsource. That's where you come in. You could easily charge anywhere from $10 to $20 an hour for virtual assistant work, and with just about 50 hours a week, you can rack in $1,000 a week from the comfort of your home without actually having any particular skill. Number 3, this is one of my favorite ones, and that's photography. Let me give you a very real example. I pay my photographer anywhere from $300 to $400 a shoot, and I use him about 4 to 8 shoots a week for myself, for my personal brand, and also for all my other brands to create content for it. And I'm just one guy. There are thousands of brands out there and thousands of influencers out there that need photography. Content is king right now, and you can make money off of it. I know what you're saying, Jose, I can't even take pictures. For example, our sponsor Skillshare makes it easy to learn these type of high income skills. We'll teach you almost anything that you can think of, whether it's entrepreneurship, marketing, photography, coding, developing, design, anything you can think of, there's probably a class on Skillshare for that's taught by an industry-leading professional giving you access to valuable information to build up your skill set. For example, let's say you wanted to learn the skill of photography to build that out. There's 2 classes I'm going to recommend. One of them is called Instagram-worthy photography. This one's taught by Brandon Wolf, which if you find him on Instagram, this man's a massive photography account. Like, he has millions of followers. He's like a world-renowned photographer. He's gonna show you how to build up your account and actually shoot Instagram-worthy pictures that brands and influencers want. A second one that I'm gonna recommend is called the Fundamentals of DSLR Photography. Again, chances are you're gonna use a DSLR camera. You wanna learn the fundamentals of it, and this class, again, is taught step by step by an expert. And that's what makes Skillshare different. See, Skillshare offers a membership with meaning, with so much to explore, real projects to create, real skills to learn, and fellow creators that empower you. Learning on Skillshare, it's actually fun. It's easy. You want to do it. And since this platform is curated specifically for learning to millions of other creators like yourself, if you join, there's no ads. And they're always pumping out premium content. And for less than $10 a month for a yearly subscription, it's a complete steal, but I'm gonna make it better. I don't want you to have any excuse to start learning. The first 1,000 guys that are watching this right now, if you guys click the link down below, go right now and sign up to Skillshare, you're gonna get 2 months of their premium membership free. There is no excuse, boys. Go now and start learning these skills. Number 4, marketing. This could be funnels, email marketing, paid marketing like Facebook, or running effective influencer campaigns. You gotta understand that marketers, they're the ones that make the money. They're the ones that drive in the sales, creating tons of value for businesses and easily giving you a 6-figure position. But again, you're not looking for a job, you're looking for a side hustle, right? Well, if you learn how to market any of these niches that I just talked about, and there's many more, and you become great at it, brands will pay you for it. Let me give you an example. Let's say you become a beast at Facebook marketing, and you can effectively generate $5,000 to $10,000 for a single Facebook paid campaign for a brand. Do you not think a brand will pay you $1,000 every week on retainer for that? Of course they would, because you're providing tons of value. Number 5, YouTube. I mean, I owe everything to YouTube. YouTube is such an amazing platform to grow, so of course I'm gonna add it to this. Now, this one does take some time to build, but the beauty of it is that you're doing what you love. Whatever your passion is, whatever you're interested in, you can carve out a path in a specific niche and build your brand there. Yes, it takes some time to build, but as you're building, you're enjoying what you're doing, and that's invaluable. And once you do build it to a sustainable size, and that can be around 10,000 subscribers, now you can start generating revenue from ad revenue from YouTube. You could also generate from sponsorships or from affiliate deals. Or you could create your own brand in that niche that's specific and easily with multiple streams be generating $1,000 every week. Number 6, video ad. Let me give you a quick stat. There's over 300 hours of video uploaded to YouTube every minute. Another 300 just got uploaded right now. Boys, there is so much content being uploaded in today's day and age that a video editor, this is a position that you can easily make bread with. The reality is that there's thousands of influencers. I myself upload 6 videos every week. So like me, there's thousands of other creators that do the same thing. You could be working for them and offering your services, DMing them and telling them that you can edit and cut down their videos. Moreover, if you're good, you can format their videos to other platforms like TikTok or Instagram, etc., and upsell and charge more for it, and again, make money. And finally, number 7, this is not so much a skill, but somewhere you can find work, and that's called Upwork. So once you learned all these skills and have become more proficient, you can go to certain websites like Upwork where there's gonna be jobs posted, where brands are literally outsourcing certain positions and tasks like marketing or copywriting, etc., 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 and find these listings so you can then go in and offer your services and make bread, boys. That's it for me in this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out our sponsor, Skillshare. They're going to be linked down below as well. That's it for me today. See you next time.